Hi everyone, I'm going to make a chicken vegetable soup using my crock pot. I start out with, I have this mixed vegetable soup. I get it at Walmart. I'm only going to use a half of that because I'm only making one chicken breast for my husband and I. So, and then I get just a chicken breast. It's deboned and skinned. And then I use a couple potatoes also to go with it. Even though this has got potatoes in it, I do use potatoes, and I just leave the skin on, clean them, and I dice them. And then I also use a Campbell's cream of celery, or you can use cream of chicken or cream of mushroom, whichever you prefer. I'm going to use this one. And then I'm going to use just a little bit of butter, not all of that, just a little bit, salt and pepper. And then I also use the Reynolds slow cooker liners. I really like those. It makes for easy cleanup. So, okay, to start, we're going to add our liner to the crock pot. I actually have a Crockpot brand, and I really like it. Let's see. Add our liner. Yeah. Okay, got my liner in. This is very easy. And then you're going to take the chicken breast. I'm going to take my chicken breast. And I just add it to the crock pot. That. And then I'm going to use half of the vegetables for soup. Like I said, I'm only making a half a batch. So let me mix that all up. And then I'm going to add the red diced potatoes. I'm going to mix those in there. Mix that around. Okay, I'm going to dump the can of cream of celery soup in. Get all that in there. And I'm not going to add water because my vegetables are frozen, so they'll add their own juices. So I won't need any water. Okay, and now that I got the soup mixed in there, I'm going to just kind of stir it around. Like I said, you can add a little bit of water. I think I might just add just a tad water, but the frozen vegetables will add in water as well. But I will think I'm going to add just a little bit. Okay, and I'm also going to just add just a little bit of salt. I won't need a lot because the soup's salty already. So I'll just add that. And then I use some of this ground peppercorns, the fresh, or you can use the regular. And grind that up. And just sprinkle some of that in there. And then you stir it up. Mix it up a little bit. And now I'm going to add just about 4 pats of butter. Just lay them on top. Just kind of let them melt. Okay. All right, so that looks good. So I'm actually going to cook it on low for about 4 to 6 hours. Since my chicken is thawed, it probably will only take about 4 hours. But I'll put it on low. And drop it down to about, I'm just going to start with 4 hours. And then hit start. Okay, well, that is the recipe. We will come back and take a look when it's complete. Hey everyone, I'm back. It's been about 3 hours now, or 3.5 hours. I am going to check my chicken vegetable soup and see how it's coming along. Ooh, a little steamy there. Well, it looks like it's done and it's ready to go. Looks delicious. Thank you for watching.